What's up, everyone? Today I am going to try to solve these puzzles that I haven't practiced in a while. So let's just scramble them up and give it a go. So most of these I'm just not sure about what my times would be, but I'm not timing this. The one I don't know if I'll be able to solve is the square root one, so I'll save that for last. So let's go. There we go, now I remember this. I think. There we go. I thought I remembered that. Wait, is that the... Yeah, that's what that is. Now I remember this. I think I'm starting to remember this. And I get the parity solution, and I can't remember that. I almost got it. Let's just try it again to make sure I remember this. I feel bad. I feel a little bit bad because I can't remember the algorithms I should remember for this, because I used to love this puzzle. I should have practiced more. Yeah, I still can't remember this. So that's it for today's video. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these videos, and comment on anything you'd like to see. Thanks again for watching. As always, have a nice day.